Uh-huh. Okay. All right. What's going on, app grinders? Reggie P here. Let me ask you guys something. Would you like to get paid typing what you hear? Well, in today's video, you're going to find out how. And you're going to hear it from me. So stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid typing what you hear. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. Now, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I tell you how you can get paid typing what you hear, let me talk to my small YouTubers out there. Are you guys struggling to get views and subscribers to your channel? Well, today is your lucky day. I have the solution just for you. All you have to do is just click on the link below that says my #1 recommended tool to increase views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. Now, this same tool has helped my channel grow from 20 subscribers all the way up to over 280 subscribers within a month. And it can happen to your channel too. So go ahead and click on the link below. It's absolutely free to download this tool. Again, it says my #1 recommended tool to increase views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. I also have other free things you can download there too. I have also a link to my recommended site you can go to that will help you become a full-time entrepreneur, where you can just quit your 9-to-5 and start working for yourself. So click on that link also below in the description. It says my #1 recommended website to start becoming your own boss. So click on that link also. Now, please watch this video to the very end, because I have a proposition I want to give to you guys. So please watch this video to the very end. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can get paid typing what you hear. Let's get it.
All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called GMR Transcription. Okay, on this website, what they do is help people by transcribing things for them. So what you're going to be doing is be a transcriptionist, and you're going to type everything that you hear from their clients. So let's go ahead and read on here and see what it says. Our transcriptionist translators typically earn between $1,000 and $3,000 per month, depending on their skills and the kind of work they take. For example, a transcriptionist will earn more if they are willing to take more difficult assignments or files with expedited turnaround times. As our transcriptionists become more experienced, they start earning more income for the same amount of time they put in. And here are the current jobs that are available. Right here they have general transcription or Spanish transcription and translators. So transcription of a variety of topics, including academic, legal, business, and more. You can create your own schedule and pick and choose how much work you take from us. No experience necessary. So you can make your own hours. Let's look on here what else they have. Let's go to the main page. Okay, again, here it says what it is. It's human transcription service you can trust. Trusted by thousands of happy customers since 2004, so it's been around for a while. And US-based transcriptionists. All right. Here's the services. Right here, it says popular transcription services, academic transcription, legal transcription, video transcription, business transcription, audio transcription, and podcast transcription. Let's look at our services. This is what they provide to their customers. Our transcription services are done by human transcriptionists. We serve clients seeking academic, corporate, legal, and podcast transcription services. Translation. Our experienced certified translators provide text-to-text, 1,000 languages, audio-to-text, and verbatim translation in over 20 languages and dialect. So they can provide this to people that in other languages also, not just English, but in all different languages, 20 different languages. So that means people from other countries all around the world can be a transcriptionist. So this is available worldwide. And they also edit, they proofread. All right, if you want to learn more about this and want to be a transcriptionist with this site, again, go to gmrtranscription.com. Now let's go to the next one. Okay, I'm at the next website, and it's called AccuTran Global, and it's a transcription specialist services. And it says here, you might can't see it, the writing is kind of unreadable, but I can see it. It says here, real-time capturing, court services, voice writing, transcription scoping, financial, medical, legal, roundtables, conference calls, press conference, meetings, interviews, messages, focus groups. So they do transcriptions for all those types of services and all types of companies that have these services that they provide to customers. All right, let's look on About Us. About Us, it says established in 2002. AccuTran Global provides transcription and related services to clients around the world, from our headquarters in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. So they're located in British Columbia, Canada, but they service the whole world. And down here it says work with us. So you can apply here where it says that, apply it for work. And here are some of the clients they have. FactSet, CNW, Arturio. So that's some of the clients. So if you want to know more about this site and want to start being a transcriptionist for them, again, go to AccuTran global.com.
All right, now you know the websites you need to go to right now that will start paying you money for just typing what you hear. So go ahead and sign up with those websites, start listening, start typing, and start getting paid. All right, thank you for watching this video to the very end. And for doing so, I'm going to tell you about the proposition I want to make to you guys. If you guys can help me get to 300 subscribers, I'm going to give a lucky person free money. Yes, free money. And all you have to do is leave a comment down below in this video and all my videos that's leading up to the 300 subscribers. I'm currently at 286. I don't have that far to go to get to 300 subscribers. So go ahead and leave that comment down below, and I'm going to randomly pick the best comment that I like and reward that person with $20 cold hard cash via PayPal or $20 Amazon gift card. The choice is yours. All right, so go ahead and leave that comment down below and subscribe if you're new. All right, that's all I have for this video. So please smash that like button and leave a comment down below so I can give away this free money. Please share this on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and LinkedIn. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been dropped. Because I make videos like this on a daily basis. All right, that's it. I'm finished. I'm done. Finito. But you don't have to go just yet. You can watch my recommended video right here, or my most recent video right here, or you can watch all my videos right here. Right after I tell you this, get your grind on, because the grind is real. So now go watch my videos. Peace.